Hello guys, my name is Trader Nixon and it's been a long time. I've been busy, I've been doing a lot, but I have a good news for you guys, right? And the good news that I have right here is that I'm throwing myself a challenge, and the challenge is already on a funded, challenge account. So the funded challenge account is on Maven, right? And I have to finish two phases, right? And you know one wonderful thing, before it dawned on me that I need to do a challenge, I already started placing trades on the account. And mind you, it's not anything positive so that you could think that I have handicap. I do not have handicap on this one. Okay, I do not have handicap on this one. I have placed my first trade and I have lost my first trade. That's good news for this challenge because I want to really challenge myself. Honestly, I want to put myself to a big challenge. And so, a minute. And so, I think it is really good that I am even on a draw now already so that, it doesn't look like, oh, Nixon started his challenge with some profit. But I've already started placing trades on this. And I'll show you everything that you need to see for evidence sake or for a track record for you guys to see the track record. That's the only reason for this. I have passed funded challenges before. You know, pro firms are made in such a way that it will be very difficult for, not really difficult, but then it's a challenge. The word challenge is there. So the challenge is to, anything challenge is to take you out of your comfort zone, is to challenge you, is to make you do more, is to make you discipline yourself more, and all of that. Is a whole lot, honestly speaking. Is a is a whole lot. So quickly, let me show you. I don't want these videos to be very long. Let me quickly show you the challenge. Whilst I'm showing you, then we can't be talking, and be looking into some other things. Yep, be looking into some other things. So I'll show you my MT5 quickly on the screen. I'll show you my MT5 quickly, and then we can do something. We can do something very quickly. I'm really trying to pull out what I need to pull out here. Exactly. I'm trying to pull out what I need to pull out here right now. Boom. So let me show you. So quickly look at the where it says look at my cursor. I don't know if you guys can see my cursor because it looks like that is the same area where my video is hanging around right now, but it is a 10K account. And so being it a 10K account, I don't know what I'm supposed to do for you guys to see this like the way I want you guys to see it. You see that at the very top, you can see the account number. You cannot see the password, but you can see that it's Maven Trade Server Hedge, Maven Trade Limited. And the current chart that I've opened is USD JPY, right? I have some pairs here, some few pairs here. Let me click on accounts. When you look at the very left side, you see what it says, just below the pairs that have been listed here. You could see navigator, it says MetaTrader 5, accounts. So when you click on accounts, you could see that I have Deriv BVI server, Funded Nest server 3. Then we have Maven Trade server. So that's currently the the account that I'm on. And you could see that I have taken a trade on Ethereum USD. So on the date 13th, June 2025, you could see where I'm on history currently, and when it says time, you could see symbol, you could see ticket, you could see type, you could see volume, and then I use in total 2.9 lot size. I open two positions. One is having 1.3 lot size, one is having 1.6, so in all it's 2.9. You can see the stop loss hit, so it's red. You could see the TP couldn't go there. Then time, you could see everything that you need to see. The price which I bought, and then profits. I don't know if I can show you this one, but look, I'll try and put. I don't want to do a lot of editing in this video because I don't have time. I do a lot of things too, but so that's why I want you to see like the proof. But then yes, you could see that profit just below it in a very deep ink. You could see profit is minus 159.35. Why is it minus 159.35? Because I am risking 1.6% on the 10K, so it's going to be $160, right? Then the deposit you could see is 10,000. Withdrawal, I've not withdrawn anything, so basically it's just like that. Let's come to trade. When I click on trade, I have no trade here, so you could see nothing here. Basically, you can only see the balance, which is 9,840.65 USD. Equity is the same. Free margin is the same. I've basically not taken any trade, so that's it. So this week I have some setups that I would like to take. If you want to see what I want to do for the week or the kind of pairs that I've looked into for the week, visit my Telegram at Trader Nixon, TraderNixon.com. Sorry. Visit my Telegram at Trader Nixon, right? At Trader Nixon. I need some water. But I'm busy here. I cannot wake up right now and go get some water. Cannot stand up, go get some water. But that's it basically. I don't trade Euro USD, so I might have to just take it out right away. Gold, EJ, USD card. I don't really trade on the Meta 5 for Windows. I do trade on the app, right? But then for the sake of this video, I'm using the window or the Windows software for this one. So yep, that's it basically. I'll look into UJ, UCAD, UJ, USD card, EJ, and then gold. Right, this 4 pairs is what I'm basically looking into, and let me give you the guidelines to this, and you hold me accountable if you see me doing anything nonsensical. Number one rule is I'm risking 1.6% on a trade, and also not more than 1.6% on the trade, and also, in fact, whatever I do, I'm not supposed to lose more than 1.6% on the trade, and I'm not supposed to also lose more than 3.2% in a week. So if I lose, the most that I'm supposed to lose is 3.2%. And this is how I've looked into my risk. I only have 8% max locks on this particular account. So I've divided it by 1.6. And I have 5 chances to place a trade. So look for quality trades. I lost my first trade on Ethereum USD. And so I'm not hoping. I just want to go by my strategy this time and see what I can do for myself. I'll post this one. Basically, on my YouTube, I want to start posting on my YouTube actively. And also, I'll see whether I can post this also on TikTok. It's a whole lot of work, guys. It's a whole lot of work. But it's a challenge, so I will try as much. And the profit target here is 8%, and then the second phase is 5%. Then we go on to the challenge phase, the real account, not really real account. Sorry, it's like a simulated. They are all simulated accounts. They are demo account basically. So let's see whether I can make it to the finals. I've passed some challenge accounts like on 10 trade before. I've done which firm again? I've forgotten one firm. I've done one firm before. Let's see what I can do for Maven. I've not really done Maven before. Let me see whether we can do Maven, right? So let's take it back. Let's take it back, guys. Let's take it back. So this is it basically. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's do what we're going to do with this challenge, right? And I'm not going to give you updates on a daily. No. I'll gather everything that I've done in a week and just update you guys with it. So if I've taken a trade, I'll just leave, the chart history on TradingView, my risk to reward, whatever I've done, like everything. I'll just make sure I'll leave it like that for you guys to see the trade idea, what I've done, and then I'll show you the account, what is happening on the account as well, basically. My name is Shodan. Next, I'm not going to do much talking anymore. I'm out. Let's see what happens.